I was just going to test you on what we planted in the compost yesterday that had a little bit of
mushrooms is what we planted in the compost.
Mold on it
2 days ago.
Yeah, what kind of mushrooms were they?
Oyster, blue, oyster cull, blue oyster, oyster blues. I think they were blue oysters.
No.
Yeah. They're not oyster blues.
First of all, they were red.
Oh, red wine caps.
Woo! He
Right?
got it.
Thanks for the hint.
You're welcome.
Okay, so hey, I am the hired help, okay? I'm not expected, I hope, to know all the peculiarities of the mushroom species and all the terminology just yet. Now, maybe by the end of the year, I'll be a lot more versed in it, but right now, I'm not so well versed in it. So, but I'm really good at doing the labor out there that needs to be done and the photography work, okay? So cut me a little slack, will you?
Yep.